Hello to all. I am Dr.AJAY Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss scientific effect of gemstones. Scientific effect of gemstones. Despite superstitions and legends associated with gemstones, a lot of scientific backing and research vouch for their benefits. Stones being formed of minerals found in the Earth's crust have a deep impact on their wearers. They emit radiation and positive energies that calm our mind and soothe our soul. Gemstones can initiate soothing energies while enhancing the focus and concentration of the wearer. It fills our body with positivity and prevents any misfortunes. It also acts as a cleansing agent for our aura. Here we should know that the powers, benefits, and healing properties of the gemstone differ as per its type. The gemstones tend to absorb the cosmic energies into themselves, and along with cosmic energies, they also imbibe the solar energies in them, and when someone wears them, these energies dip into the water. We should know our body contains 75% water of our total weight. Suppose our weight is 100 kg, then 75 kg is water in our body. Then here we should understand that gemstones tend to absorb the cosmic energies into themselves. Along with the cosmic energies, they also imbibe the solar energies, two types of energies, cosmic energies and solar energies. Then gemstones tend to absorb the cosmic energies into themselves, and along with cosmic energies, they also imbibe the solar energies in them, and when someone wears them, these energies dip into the water. These cosmic and solar energies have innumerable positive effect on the wearer's body. Use of gems as a beautiful decorative ornaments, religious symbol, amulets, and good luck charms. Gems have also been used for barter and medicinal purposes. Now that is a stone works for human body? This is the main question. Is a stone works for human body? That is a big question. It focuses on healing the body and mind from inside and making it as pure as the clear water. The vibration of the natural pearls, stone work in benefiting people from waterborne diseases. Acting like a purifier, it can absorb the negative energies and create water balance in the body to give fresh vibes. Here, how does it works? Now I am giving one example. From the example, it will be clear. Its scientific effect will be clear. We know that in our body, vitamin D is formed. How it is formed? Actually, vitamin D is their material is available in our body, but that is not the vitamin D. Then how it is converting into vitamin D? Now I am telling you. During exposure to sunlight in our body, one chemical is found. Its chemical name is 7-dehydrocholesterol. This is present in our skin. During exposure to sunlight, 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin absorbs ultraviolet B band radiation. UV light it absorbs and is converted to the pre-vitamin D3, which in turn isomerizes into vitamin D3. Here, how does it convert to the vitamin D? I told you first, after absorbing UV light, actually chemicals required for vitamin D is 7-dehydrocholesterol. This is found in the skin. Correct? And when these compound 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin absorbs UV radiation, means UV light, then what will happen? This UV light converts this material, chemical 7-dehydrocholesterol into pre-vitamin D3, and this in turn isomerizes into vitamin D3. Hence, we are getting vitamin D due to the presence of UV light, ultraviolet light. If ultraviolet light is not there, then there is no question of getting vitamin D. That is, UV light is responsible for vitamin D present in our body. Chemicals are present in our body, but that is not working as vitamin D until it is exposed to sunlight. Sunlight means here ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light means high energetic light. Ordinary light has not such type of energy. Ultraviolet light has more energy. Now, how does actually it converts? Mechanism I am telling you. Then you will understand the scientific effect of gemstones. Then here, by the example of formation of vitamin D, you can understand. Here, steps to convert to form vitamin D. Now I am telling you. What happens first? That cholecalciferol, that is called actually D3, vitamin D3 material, that is called cholecalciferol. This is produced from, just now I told you, 7-dehydrocholesterol. From 7-dehydrocholesterol, that is also in shortcut we are telling DHC. 7-DHC. 7 is the position. Okay, 7 is the position in the ring. It will be in the form of ring. Material will be in the form of ring. Structure will be ring structure. Then from 7-dehydrocholesterol, that is a 7-DHC, we get cholecalciferol. From this compound, another compound cholecalciferol is produced, okay, through a two-step process. Now I am telling you, in first process that B ring is broken. B ring is present in the molecule. And the molecule is in the form of ring. Then V ring is broken by ultraviolet light, UV light, in the presence of a spectrum between 280 to 320 micrometer. Between 280 to 320. This is actually range. Okay, range of a spectrum in can say mu m, micrometer. Okay, micrometer. In that range, UV light from this range. UV light has range this only 280 to 320 micrometer, mu m. Okay, this is also called a band, UV band. Then UV light from this band is absorbed by 7-dehydrocholesterol, and by absorbing this UV light, bond is broken. B ring is broken. Bond is broken. And then after the second step, it converts to the vitamin D3. First pre, and then finally it will isomerize to the D3. In two step I told you that ring structure, B ring, is broken after absorbing the UV light. And then second step, it will convert to the vitamin D3. If UV light is not there, then this bond will not break, and when this bond will be a beta ring, that will not break, and when it will not break, then it will be not formed. Vitamin D3 will be not formed. First pre D3 is formed, and after that, after isomerization, it formed D3 vitamin, that is stable. Okay. Then see here, role of UV light in the formation of vitamin D in our body. Second example I am telling you, photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, we require carbon dioxide. Actually, in photosynthesis takes place in plant. Whatever we see greenery everywhere all over the world, that is due to this process only, photosynthesis. Then for the photosynthesis, means to get the green material, we require carbon dioxide, we require moisture, and in addition to these, two more things required, that is the chlorophyll. Third thing is chlorophyll, and fourth, which is essential, that is UV light, ultraviolet light. In the absence of UV light, reaction will not take place. Means carbon dioxide plus H2O. In the presence of chlorophyll and UV light, it gives glucose. It forms glucose, means C6H12O6 plus oxygen. Plants releases in daytime, plant releases oxygen due to this reaction only. Balance reaction, you can tell 6CO2 plus 6H2O. It will give C6H12O6, that is the glucose, plus 6O2. But for this reaction, we require chlorophyll and UV light. Only then we will get, plant will form glucose, means it's a food material, carbohydrate. Otherwise, plant can't form carbohydrate, means glucose, fructose, all the things. And after forming this glucose, fructose, it is growing. We are getting all the things, food material, through plants only. They now see the role of ultraviolet light. Okay. Then now in gemstone, similar behavior takes place. Actually, that different stone absorbs different light. Different gemstones absorbs different light, and it passes through our body through a skin. From the stone, it will through a skin, it will enter to the body. In our body, 25% water is there. Blood is coming under that. Actually, many things are there in the form of liquid. Then blood is one form, and water is also there everywhere. Then it will enter to the through the skin. It will enter to the water. All liquid, all whatever liquid is there, it will pass through that, and it will reach every parts of the body. Water is everywhere in our body in different form. Then now this light, this radiation, different radiation of different color has a role. Actually, blue light also, in the presence of blue, actually in our body, many reaction takes place. Many reaction takes place. Our life is full of chemical reaction taking place in our body. Then many reaction in the absence of blue light, green light, yellow light, that will not take place. Suppose I give an example for UV light, ultraviolet, violet color. Correct? Violet color is more energetic. Then like that way, every, you can say, radiation of different color. I told you yellow light, blue light, green light, orange light. Correct? All have a role. They require for a specific reaction. For a specific reaction, a specific color light is required. Colored light. Different type of light is required for different type of reaction. But in their absence, that reaction will not take place. Then it will not form the product like a glucose. I have given example in photosynthesis or vitamin D. Correct? That you will not get in the absence of these lights. Many reactions require this type of light. Then if that light is not present, then that particular reaction will not take place. Then you will not get any particular product. And every product has a role in our body. It affects our mind, and mind plays a big role in our all activities. Correct? Then in the presence of blue light, red light, green light, orange light, different type of reaction takes place, and they form different type of products, and that product function as a medicine. You can tell him, for understanding point of view, it function as a medicine. Then many persons, that in many in a body of many person, some particular reaction they require, but in the absence of that light, reaction does not take place. That's why a specific product will be not formed. Hence they will lack of that product. Due to that, their mind will not work in a proper direction where he should do to get the success. That type mind will not go to that way. It will not think in that way. But after bearing some special type of, I can say, gemstone, due to this light effect, that some chemical reaction in the body will take place. It will form the product. Due to that product, just like glucose, effect of glucose, glucose, fructose, sugar, what you are telling, their role. Vitamin D role, we require many vitamins. Then like that way, if in presence of a specific light, a specific product will form, that product will have some effect on our mind or in our body as medicine. Person which we are not thinking in that way, now it will begin to think in that way, and they will act in that way and will get some, you can say, result. They will get good result, means they will get success. Correct? Then here just I am giving you some range, band. As for example, if light will enter, if you can say red light is required, suppose body required a red light, then for that you can say it's a spectrum band 1000 to 100 micrometer. That is actually wavelength. As the wavelength length will be more, energy will be less. If wavelength is small, energy will be more. Then red light has less energy, its wavelength is more. And UV light has more energy, its wavelength is less. Frequency is reverse of wavelength. Okay, frequency and energy is directly proportional. Then for the red light, energy required is between 1000 to 100 micrometer. For the red light, you require, you can say, radiation between 1000 to 100 micrometer. Similarly, for orange, now little more you require, 100 to 10 micrometer for the orange light. Okay. Just like sunlight, you can tell that is very, to get the success or energy, this light is required. Okay. Then for that, you can say radiation between 100 to 10. Between 100 to 10. 100 is less energy, 10 is more energy. Then between 100 to 10, radiation is required. If you wear orange stone, then you will get energy between 100 to 10 micrometer. And I told you, if you red stone you will wear, then you will get energy from 1000 to 100 micrometer. Correct? Then reaction which required red, then this energy is required, 1000 to between 1000 to 100. Okay. Then any reaction which requires red light, then for that radiation between 1000 to 100 micrometer is required. Means red stone will provide this red radiation. Or for orange, I told you between 100 to 10 micrometer. Like that way, yellow, now further more energy is there. Means between 10 to the power minus 3 micrometer. Okay, it is a little more energy. Yellow has more energy. Then if you want yellow light, many reaction takes place in the presence of yellow light. Then for that, to get the yellow light, you can say radiation from 10 to the power minus 3 is required. Now for the green light, if you want to become very intelligent, correct? Then that time green light is required. Then its wavelength is between 4000 to 700 nanometer. Further more energy it is coming under the visual light. What we are getting daily, you will get from that light. That range is between 400 to 700 nanometer. Okay. Then for that green you require from this range you will get. And again, if you there only in this some UV light is also mixed in this range 400 to 700 nanometer. Along with the green light, in visible 7 colors are there, Along with that UV rays also you will get. Okay, partially, not full, you will get. And this full ultraviolet you will get between 100 to 10 nanometer. Between 100 to 10 nanometer you will get full, more energetic ultraviolet light. For indigo, if you want, you can say indigo color, stone will give between 10 to 1 nanometer, very high energy, very high energy, between 10 to 1 nanometer. I can say this spectrum radiation, it will give very high energy. And if you can say want violet color is also required in our body, correct, for some reaction. Then for that very high energy is required, between 1 to the 10 to the power minus 1 nanometer. Okay. Then here I have told you that a different stone will provide you different radiation. It will emit different radiation, correct? And this different radiation, in the presence of different radiation, different chemical reaction take place. And when different chemical reaction will take place, it will form, you can say, different product, chemical product, and that product will play different role. Okay. Then due to this formation of this product, which were not formed in the absence of this light, you were not, your mind was not going or thinking in that way to get the success, correct? Then this I told you that scientific effect of gemstone. But here you should know, all can't wear all type of gemstone, because it may affect adverse way also. Then suitable gemstone only can be weared, not all can't wear all type of gemstone. This is very important, because already excess of everything is bad. Already suppose in your body blue light is sufficient, by in a natural way it is forming, it is coming, it is present in your body. Then further you don't require. Why? Because excess radiation will just affect adversely. Any light, any radiation which is already formed in a natural way from the outside, it is not required. Means you should not wear the gemstone unnecessarily. What is required? Only that as per requirement one should wear the gemstone. Otherwise it will affect adversely. Okay. Then here one more things I want to tell you. Actually our planets, our 9 planets are there, you know. All are emitting different color. They are different color also. Sun, you are knowing, generally you will get yellowish type. It looks like a golden color. Sunlight, it has after the dispersion of light, 7 color you are getting, that you know. And Mercury, our Mercury is a can say green color. Mercury, its planet is green, correct? And Jupiter is yellow color. And this after Saturn is a blue color, correct? Then here Mercury, I told you, green color, Jupiter yellow color, Saturn blue color. Like that way some colors are dark also. Then every planet has some color, and it is affecting, actually their effect is scientific, no doubt. Astrology is good, astrologer may be wrong. This you should understand. Astrology is a good, correct, scientific effect is there, but astrologer may be wrong. Hence we should not I can say think that astrology is not good. Astrologer may be wrong, not the astrology. Then now I am stopping only here. Thank you.